Good morning, it's Ricky Fitzsimmons with Britton Chevrolet. I'm here to talk to you about the Chevrolet Colorado. It's 2018 ZR2. This is a bad rig right here. If you're looking to do any kind of off-roading, it's already prepped with the suspension package underneath, and you've got all the off-road tools. You've got a bull guard bumper with a LED light bar and a couple of floodlights up top. Let's make our way into the truck. Over here, I've got all of your lights. Ooh, let's get that lighted up for you. There's all your switches to operate all of your different auxiliaries. You've got a map over here on the home screen. Projection, it features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so if you're looking to hook up your phone and project any of your phone stuff up to the screen, you've got it in here already. This vehicle's only got 42,000 miles. This Colorado is driven by Mr. Britton himself for several months. It has been well maintained, well kept care of. If you're looking for a truck that's been maintained nicely, you know you're not going to have any issues, this is going to be the one. Come check it out. My name's Ricky Fitzsimmons at Britton Chevrolet. We're off of 30, about 40 miles east of Dallas.